Hi viewers, welcome to Lady of the Home YouTube channel. Let's discuss today's topic. Is your kid saying no to food? No appetite. Frequently falling sick. Weak immune system. What to do? Don't skip, please watch the video till the end. Who is a fussy or picky eater? One who rejects food that they like one day, but then happily eat them the next day. Someone that's so picky about their food and is always complaining about it. One who eats a very limited range of food. Someone who is extremely particular, choosy about what they will or will not eat. Why a picky or fussy eater? Picky eating habits are more likely to develop when parents punish, bribe or reward their children's eating behaviors. When you try to force feed the child, he is more likely to develop fussy eating habits. How to overcome picky or fussy eating habits? Respect child's appetite. Don't force him to feed what he don't like. Follow a 4-interval meal plan and give him food on time: breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner. The feeding time should not exceed 1 hour. Don't feed in between the meal plan. Ensure child feeds on their own. Family feeds. Whole family try to eat on same time along with child. Don't worry about quantity, let him eat how much he wants to eat. Don't give milk as a substitute to food. 200 milliliters per day is enough for kids. Give milk after dinner. If you give milk alone for breakfast, it's not healthy and doesn't give them enough nutrition. It fills up the stomach and kills hunger. Give curd, cheese, butter or paneer instead of milk, as it's healthy than dairy milk. What to include in diet to avoid deficiency and weakness? Carbohydrates from whole wheat chapati, rice, whole grain bread, whole wheat pasta. Proteins from milk and milk products, pulses and legumes, chicken, eggs, fish. Healthy fats like nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, peanut butter, ghee. Vitamins and minerals. Colorful fruits and vegetables. Nutritional or healthy supplements. If child is not interested in food at all and his diet don't include healthy and nutritional foods, underweight, then please include the below mentioned supplements. Protein powder in milk. Junior Horlicks, Pediasure, or consult pediatrician to recommend one for your child needs. Immunity boosting. Few available in market. I cannot mention names here, you can ask your doctor. Vitamin supplements like zinc, COVID or other syrups also available. Please take pediatrician advice before giving any health supplements. It is not advised to use medicines without consulting doctor, as it is harmful for kids. If you are living in and around MIYAPUR area in Hyderabad, you can visit below clinic. Full clinic details will be provided in description. It's not for promotion, just personal suggestion, as we are consulting him for the past 3 years. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Lady of the Home YouTube channel.